Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Thursday, October 19th, 2023. It is 10:46 and 21 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, Morphology of Kilonovae. So let's hop to it here. Grasping the three-dimensional morphology of Kilonovae, date October 18th, 2023. Source: University of GSI. The interactions between electrons, ions, and photons within the material ejected from a neutron star merge to determine the light that we can see through telescopes. These processes and the emitted light can be modeled with computer simulations of radiative transfer. Researchers have recently produced, for the first time, a three-dimensional simulation that self-consistently follows the neutron star merger, neutron capture, nucleosynthesis, energy deposited by radioactive decay and radiative transfer with tens of millions of atomic transitions of heavy elements. And being a 3D model, the observed light can be predicted for any viewing direction when viewing nearly perpendicular to the orbital plane of the two neutron stars, as observational evidence indicates for the Kilonovae A2 2017 GFO. The model predicts a sequence of spectral distributions that look remarkably similar to what has been observed for A2 2017 GFO. The research in this area will help us to understand the origins of elements heavier than iron, such as platinum and gold, that were mainly produced by the rapid neutron capture processes and neutron star mergers. About half of the elements heavier than iron are produced in an environment of extreme temperatures and neutron densities, as achieved when two neutron stars merge with each other. When they eventually spiral toward each other and coalesce, the resulting explosion leads to the ejection of matter with the appropriate conditions to produce unstable neutron-rich, heavy nuclei by a sequence of neutron captures and beta decays. These nuclei decay to stability, liberating energy that powers an explosive kilonova, transient, and bright emission of light that rapidly fades in about a week. The 3D simulation combines together several areas of physics, including the behavior of matter at high densities, the properties of unstable, heavy nuclei, and atomic light interactions of heavy elements. As further challenges remain, such as accounting for the rate at which the spectral distribution changes the description of material ejected at late times. The future progress in this area will increase the precision with which we can predict and understand features in the spectra and will further our understanding of the conditions in which heavy elements were synthesized. A fundamental ingredient for these models are high-quality atomic nuclear experimental data, as well as provided by the FAIR facility. And this is the Professor of Space Technology, Advanced Physics, Mathematics, Computer Science, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.